Okay, so for my quiz program, I use Quizlet, and Quizlet basically you sign up and you create flashcards. So within this, I asked 5 questions, so you can easily see on the flashcard tab, which is this one. You can easily see um, what questions I asked, and you just click to flip it over for the answer. So basically on Quizlet, you can do multiple ways to learn the materials that you want to be quizzed on. So you can do learn, and then click where's the best place to take photos? Outside, make a background copy, manual settings, f-stop. So obviously outside, and it shows your progress. But you can also do games, like for example gravity. So protect the planets, and so then you just start the games, and they come down. What is the first thing you do when you open up a photo in Photoshop? Make a background copy there, and all of that. So there's just multiple ways to learn, match, test yourself, which would be very helpful when learning materials.